Hi, I'm Sejal. I was working as an accountant in an engineering company. Though I was excellent in my work, I was always underappreciated.
An MBA program specially designed for aspiring executives like Sejal to help them to upgrade themselves in their careers by developing future-focused capabilities sought by employers across the globe. With over 1 lakh alumni, an advanced LMS system for online studies, a state-of-the-art library with over 62,000 books, DPU is the place where you will prepare yourself as an industry-ready professional.
It was the best I could get. I could do my MBA from reputed university without even leaving my job. An MBA at par with regular college. If we are determined, we can achieve anything and no one can stop us.
So what are you waiting for? Please visit www.dypatilonline.com for further details.